Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're going to be doing something a little bit different in this video. A couple of weeks ago I posted a short with me loading film into my beautiful little RD6, which I still haven't had a chance to go out and shoot yet. But following that, I've had a surprising number of messages from people asking, can you show us how to load film into cameras that maybe are a bit different, or not quite standard sort of thing that you get with like a 35mm camera. And as I'm about to take this this little beauty out for a bit of a run, my RB67, I thought, well, there's a perfect opportunity. We'll grab a roll of one of my favoured Delta 100s and load some film into this. The RB67 is a massive camera. You can see by the size of my hands that it's a massive camera. Very heavy, weighs a ton, and is completely modular. You can literally strip this down to a shell. I will be doing a full video on it in coming weeks, but for now let's just look at loading film. So the first thing we have to do is basically unlock the back, which comes off like that. We'll put the body away. We now have the actual film, the film back. And to open that, there's on this side, there's a little lever at the bottom, which opens up, and we can then pull out this little cassette that actually takes the film. The first thing we have to do is move the old roll from the feed side to the take up side, just like that. Then we'll grab out our roll of Delta 100, and with this, the way the film runs, we actually have to have the back of the paper going around this way, so the film actually doesn't feed that way, doesn't feed across here, it actually feeds around here. So we'll push the little button down here and hopefully we can slot that in just like that. We then take the film across the back of the camera, bring the roll up until we get to feed it into the take-up spool. It's so much easier when you're not filming to get this done. Okay, so we get that. We then just turn the roll, keep it tight, and what we have to do is line this arrow up with that little, just like that. So we're now ready to go. So we now fit this back into its container, into the actual back. Make sure we get it lined up properly, like that. Lock it away. And then one thing I've actually done with this as a side point is just replace these seals and one of the light seals, a couple of the light seals in this actual back. We're having a couple of little issues with it, so hopefully this will be a test to see how it goes. So we fit the back onto, oh, I can actually do this without. So we look at the back and we can see in here that we're actually feeding the roll. Keep grinding until it says 1. Now it says number 1 there. We can put it on the back of the camera, lock it in. There's another lock on the bottom of the camera, and away we go. That's how simple it is. We're now ready to shoot. As I say, I'll do a full video on the camera in weeks to come. I'll show you some images that come from it, but that's loading film into an RB67. actually pretty straightforward. Thank you. If you like this, leave a like, subscribe, and we'll keep looking at vintage cameras. Catch you next time.